Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Planning P6. Hope you are doing well. Today we are here with a new topic, which is how we can use the estimate weight and how we can insert that column and how we can use the top down estimation for our project. Actually, estimated weight is used for the unit top down estimation. Whatever after the units, it will be calculated the cost automatically. Today, we will learn how we can assign weightages to our WBSs and to our activities. So let's move forward to our topic. Open your Primavera P6 schedule and open the project you want to doing the estimation. First of all, you hide this window. We don't need this window. Right click on that window, bottom layout, and hide detail window to see the entire project. Secondly, right click on the columns. We will arrange our columns like that. Here we don't need these two columns, start and finish. If you want, then you can show here, and also this one. Now we will find here the weighted labor units. Find here the budgeted labor units and this one. Double click on it or move with this button and then budgeted labor cost. This one. Move it. Close that window. You can see here our budgeted labor cost is column is here. The third column is we will find estimated weight. It is in the general. You can see here estimated weight. Close it, move the top, apply, and OK. Now these three columns are here. You can see here budgeted labor units and budgeted labor cost, which we have already assigned to our project. Actually, this weightage is all already defined in the contract, or your top management will decide whenever they are going to bid for a project, or your estimation engineer is doing. If you are preparing schedule for the bidding purpose, then you have to calculate these all with the same method with your cost which you have calculated or man hours. You can see here this estimated weight is here. If we calculate this estimated with the, it will be divided equally for the all. Now we will add the same column in our WBS. If we don't add, then it will be WBS's total man hours will be equal. Now we will go to our WBS's. Here project WBS, open it, and you can see here WBS, and add a column here, same, customize, which is find estimated weight. This one. Double click on it, close it, and move here like that. Now you can see here our activities are total activities are 18. We will assign. If you want to assign the separately, you can assign like that. Suppose that we want to assign for this total overall weight is 100%, and we want to assign first WBS 25%, and then the second is 32%. If there is any defined for the WBS, you can pick that weightages, and 33% for this one, and then 8% for the commissioning work, and then project closure 2%. Now you can calculate it. It will be 100%. Okay, then go to the activities. We will we want to give the different weightages to our activities. According to the WBS weightages, the unit will be calculated. With that, the total unit will be divided, and for the activities, if you want to different weightages, then it will be. And now you cannot change your weight for the milestone remain the weight, you cannot change. If I put here 1 2 3 or 1 2, you can see here it will be show error, milestone cannot have estimated weight. Okay, we want 1 for the milestone. And then project initial phase, just say 1 we want equally with the milestone. And then I want to divide this 50% and then 50%. Okay, then here I want to add, like, just I am assuming that one to tell you how you can calculate it. Then here I put it 8, then 3, then suppose that 6, then 12, then 25, then 10, then 15, and then 21. These all will be 100%. And then I want to divide as equal this one 25 and 25, and this one just remain 1 and 1. Now you can see budgeted labor units are 2500 and 04, and cost is this one. Now we will go to the tools and go to the top down estimation. Here you can see here current units are there, estimated units. If you have, suppose that say 5000 are our estimated units, you will apply. When you will apply, just see here, apply. Yes, are you sure to want to apply estimated unit to your current project? Yes, I am sure. Now you can see here the budgeted units has been changed. Cost according to your resources which you have assigned to that units, cost is also changed, and the WBS units are also changed. Now you can see here this is divided equally, this is divided as per this percentage, and for the WBS level overall you can, it will be divided for this one. Close this window and open the WBS. You can see here it is divided like that. Open your Excel to see either our cost estimation is equal or it will be changed. I will tell you how you can see your cost is equal. You can use the calculator as well, but Excel is easy, we can see it. Excel is opening. Go to the activities, and if I minimize up to the WBS level, you can see here you can calculate like that one. 67 is 840, it's 8%. You can calculate like that, but up to the WBS level we will see the weightages, and I will show you. Yes, new sheet, open it. Just say here, put your formula, like I will highlight it, and put your formula is equal to, and what is our first is 1276 divided by 5000. enter this one and this one, because show two decimals, because this will be calculated, because the milestone is not considered in the weightages. So duplicate it with the Control D or copy, then change the value for the second WBS 1633. Just change the value 1633, 1684 and 84. Okay, and 408. Total sum, that one auto sum. You can see here the value is 100. Now if you can see here, we have assigned in our WBSs here, in WBSs level, this one, go to expand it and see here 25, 32, 33, 8 and 2. 8 and 2. This 2 is not calculated because there is a milestone. That's why there is a little difference. But as in estimation, this difference is acceptable. You can see 25, 32, 33, 8 and 2. This is how you can calculate your estimated total units. If you apply this one here, then the total will be 0. And in the option, go to the activities, there is another option. If you want to expand all and just go to the tools, there is another option. I will define you here. Here you can see here 500 and estimated is, if you say the 5000, sorry, and apply adjustment. If you apply adjustment, there is a 0. If you want to apply any adjustment, it means of, just say 20% of this 5000, it will be changed. The adjustment will be applied here. Now you can see here the 20% adjustment is added in your adjusted units and estimated units. This is how cost will be increased. Also you can, if you have the non-labor, you can use that with the same method. Hopefully you understand today's tutorial. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get notified for every upcoming uploads. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and comment on our channel. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.